Hello there, my wonderful friends. It's Teddy here, and today, we're going to have a blast drawing the Monkey King from the fantastic Netflix movie, The Monkey King. Let's dive right in. To begin, let's start with the Monkey King's eyes. We'll create them by drawing a circle. Around this circle, add a shape that looks like the letter D to form the eyes. Next, let's give our Monkey King some expressive eyebrows. These will sit on top of the eyes and meet at a point to form a V shape. Now, let's bring his adorable little nostrils to life. Just a couple of small openings right under the eyes. Moving down a bit, we'll make a U shape to form the Monkey King's mouth. Inside this U shape, we'll draw a friendly mouth, complete with teeth and a tongue. Time to tackle the upper part of his face. Let's make sure he's looking dashing. Now, imagine some wild and wavy hair framing his face. Let's bring that to life with a few curvy lines. Monkey King's ears are next. They'll look just like the letter C on both sides of his head. To make his face more interesting, let's add some texture to the hair around his face. Moving on, let's sketch those cool shoulder pads on both sides. Don't forget to add a neat pattern inside them. And now, it's time for his chest. Draw a big circle right in the middle, giving him that majestic look. Time for his strong arms. They'll be on both sides, of course. Let's add some more texture inside the chest plate. There's a special owl symbol inside the circle on his chest. Let's draw that too. Now, let's add a touch of authenticity, some bolts around those shoulder pads for that extra flair. And for the grand finale, let's give our Monkey King some final touches on his face to make him truly shine. And there you have it, our amazing Monkey King is all set. I hope you had a ton of fun drawing him with me. If you loved this tutorial, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more exciting drawings real soon. Until then, keep drawing and stay happy.